What is the AIDA method and how is it used in sales copy? We've all been there. You're staring at a blank screen, twisting and turning, trying to figure out what to say to get your customer to buy from you. Your friend calls, invites you to a concert, front row seats. You can't go because you have writer's block. Instead, you're going to waste your precious time staring at the wall, trying to figure out what to say, because not selling your product will be far worse than missing the concert. What if I told you that there was a way to solve this problem instantly every time? It's called the AIDA Method. It's a 4-part selling method. AIDA. We're going to walk through it right now so that you can walk away with a formula that you can use to sell anything to anyone. A stands for attention, I for interest, D for desire, and A for action. The first thing that you need to do is A, simply grab their attention. Make them stop the scroll. An easy way to do this is through something called an open loop, which is basically just posing a question that you don't give the answer to right away. It makes their wheels start to turn. I stands for interest. Now, this is going to depend on who your customer is. So you're going to need to think through who your main avatars are, and then think through what are their miracles and what are their miseries. Miracles being all of their wants, dreams, and desires. What would their perfect situation look like? Their miseries would be their pain points. What are their frustrations and fears? What are the things that keep them up at night? You get their interest by talking about solving their pain points. Now, people have different specific needs depending on what their career is or the relationship problems, but there is a set of overarching fundamental needs that most people have. And that's things like the need for connection, the need for love and acceptance, the need for purpose, the desire to win, material gain, and the need for a legacy. Next is D. D is for desire. Show them how your product can help them either fix their misery or offer them their miracle. If you accomplish this, you will have the sale. Lastly, the final A stands for action. Use a call to action that is both urgent and clear. This whole formula is really based on the good old carrot and stick. People are motivated by pain and pleasure. Use it to your advantage. Let me know in the comments if you have ever used the AIDA method and how it's worked for you. This is Lisa Lewalt with X Factor Digital Marketing. Please click below to subscribe, and I hope you all have a great week.